Good morning, everybody. It is day 3. It almost feels like it's day 333. Yesterday was full of awesome obstacles. We did everything that we could in one day. So we did the maze. As you saw, we crushed You Gotta Be Nuts. It was so much fun. We had the best group with us. Everyone cheering me on. It could not have been better. That was so much fun. So today we are going with the crew on to Dead Broke, but unfortunately we are dead broke and I had messed up the steering. So after You Gotta Be Nuts, we got all the way to the top of the road and my steering stopped working. So Cole had kind of been worried that the steering rack was going to be an issue based on a few things that I did, and sure enough, the steering rack is now gone. They tried to replace it last night, but there's still a few things that aren't working super well. So I think I'm going to try to ride with one of these people in our group today, but I definitely do not want to drive someone else's car. I think after yesterday, I am good. I am happy to be passenger for a day. Stay tuned. Today we have Dead Broke. And then after that, we have the shoot challenge. We have fastest to the top, slowest to the top, and then the after shoot. After shoot, also, I can't believe it, George had me do that yesterday. Or no, the day before yesterday, George had me do the after shoot. So we did pre-run it. It is possible with a good spotter. I don't know what we're gonna do with the rules, if we're gonna allow a spotter, or if you can pick George, or who the spotter will be. But stay tuned for another awesome day here at United by Bronco. If you haven't been to this event before, you gotta come. It is a blast. Here we go, day 3. All right, guys, so today, as you saw, I am with Moses. We are on obstacle 1, and we are going in. 2-door crew.
Manual.
2-door manual crew. Let's go. All right, the start of Dead Broke, and we got David coming in with the portals and the 2-door. Let's go, Dave.
Right there, let it climb, and then you go right around there and climb the back. Keep going.
Woo! Nice.
There it goes.
Yeah, buddy.
Hold on. Back it up. Slowly. Let her climb the front first. Keep going. All the way.
Nice, Sash.
Keep it this way. Right there, there it is. All the way. Nice. Come up to it. Come up to it. Yeah, start going driver now. Slowly.
Yes, girl.
All the way up.
Woo!
All the way up. Good job, man.
Nice.
That's how you drive.
Now that was smooth. All right, Moses is giving me a very entertaining ride. We are going up what he is affectionately named as the whale's back.
Dead Broke.
Dead Broke. We're not sure of the actual name, but I like Moses's name better. And it is a pretty steep descent, then into a huge ascent with multiple ledges.
Oh, and it says I have 0 gas.
Oh, and we're gonna run out of gas.
No, we're not. It just doesn't like being.
Hey George, did you bring gas?
Yeah.
All right, we're about to go up.
Straight.
And of course, when it came to the most intense part of the trail, they wanted me to get in George's truck. So here it goes.
dude. You're good. Keep coming. Easy. There you go. Good job. Go straight this way. There you go. Driver. Yeah, baby. Keep coming. Two-door things?
Oh man, dude, yeah,
You're
it's harder.
fine.
It's harder in
No,
this.
it's not. Continue dead, bro. Kylie's coming all the way up. Keep coming. Easy. Easy. You're good. Nice and easy, Kylie. Keep coming. Yeah, baby. All driver. Right there. Nice and slow. Yep. Yep. Woo!
Woo! Two-door left.
Straight ahead. So sick. All driver, keep climbing. Right there. Good job, dude. Turn portal's cooking out here.
Cooking, baby.
Hell yeah.
George let the girls take over the Trail Militia Turn Off-Road Taxi, and that was fun. Ash and I just climbed this right here, and we're about to watch the rest of the crew. The ascent up to the top wasn't too bad, but the descent didn't feel the best. So let's see how everyone else does. Here we go. Mask and all. Yeah, buddy.
Right there, Jay. Keep it straight. Driver a little bit.
Woohoo! Yeah.
What a time!
Woo! All right, so we were having just way too much fun at United by Bronco that I forgot to close you guys out. So, surprise, We are back here at the shop in Riverside, but man, United by Bronco 2026 was an absolute blast. Getting to do the grudge match, the shoot challenge, man, a few of you sent it pretty good on the shoot, but those events were so much fun this year, and it was awesome to get to hang out with some of you guys out on the trail. So not only did we get to have a great event and hang out with you guys, but we also got to conclude our portal testing. So if you guys have been following along, you've seen we've tested in all types of environments up until now. So we started with our road testing going to Las Vegas, which was a blast. Then we did some rock crawling out in Johnson Valley, out at Cougar Buttes, out in Big Bear. We did some snow testing, mud testing in Lytle Creek and Cleghorn. And then we got to close it out at United by Bronco 2026 on the maze, and specifically for me on You Gotta Be Nuts, which was nuts. I should have expected that. But we are done with portal testing. Soon to come, Cole's gonna give you guys all the details on the portals and exactly what to expect next. We also have a lot of events coming up. So we have our big ones, Valley of the Moon with you guys. Oh, we got some people honking because I'm recording out here. The events we got coming up next, Valley of the Moon, where we're gonna be camping with all of our crew. I think SD Broncos is gonna come out as well as our Trail Militia crew. And then after Valley of the Moon, we are going to Easter Jeep Safari. So we are gonna be doing the same process that we did for the Bronco portal testing for Jeeps, guys. And we're gonna have a little fun along the way. We might even do some call out some good people out on Jeeps, in Broncos, maybe even do some Jeep versus Bronco content. Let us know what you wanna see, and thank you so much for following along. We are having an absolute blast recording this content for you guys and really hitting the trails and testing these portals. It has been an exciting time so far. To make sure you don't miss out on any of this content, like and subscribe. We have some exciting things headed your way for 2026. Go your own way, but never alone. Turn off-road with us.